Welcome to week 4. You've made it. You're halfway through the course already. I'm so proud of you. It is so hard sometimes to get back to school and adjust your schedule and all the craziness you deal with every single day. Some of the hardest things to do with going back to college is just getting the grit to get it done. Even when you don't want to and you're tired and there's something else you'd rather do, but you stuck with it. And that's actually the theme of this week is what we're going to talk about is grit. Just sticking with it. A big part of it is just sticking with it until it makes sense. Sometimes you just got to do it over and over and over, and then it clicks. And I'm so proud of you guys so far for showing that tenacity and sticking with it. So you should be patting yourselves on the back. This is week 4. It's the midpoint. So in week 4, you will be expected to take a quiz. Don't let that freak you out. It's just an opportunity to kind of see how you're doing in the class and what you're retaining and what you need to go back and re-review. So make sure you take the time to do that. Week 4 is also a really good time to go back through the grade book and see, did I miss any assignments as we went through? So if there's anything that you've missed, got tied up, forgot to push submit, whatever happened there, this is your opportunity to go back and capture those assignments to make sure you get all those points. So you want to gather as many points as you want because a 0 can make a big impact on your grade. If you have any questions on that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. This week, we're going to be focusing on study skills, learning styles, and how to study the best, how to utilize our study time so that when students come sometimes say, I keep rereading it and I'm not getting it. Sometimes it's simply how we're studying. So this week will give us a great opportunity to kind of review how we're studying and really focus that energy. So again, congratulations on making it to week 4, and I'm looking forward to a fabulous second half of the class.